How to fix erectile dysfunction at home. This no one will tell you. Many men think erectile dysfunction can only be fixed with medicine, but that is not always true. In many cases, simple daily habits at home can improve blood flow, hormone balance, confidence, and erection quality naturally. The key is consistency and fixing the root cause. Start daily walking for 30 minutes. Lose extra belly fat slowly. Do Kegel exercises every day. Improve sleep to 7 to 8 hours nightly. Reduce stress and anxiety levels. Stop smoking completely. Limit alcohol intake. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Add nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. Control blood sugar and B. Drink enough water daily, strength training 3 times weekly, reduce excessive porn use if affecting arousal, improve relationship communication, practice deep breathing before intimacy, get morning sunlight regularly, check testosterone if symptoms exist, avoid late-night junk food, stay consistent for 4 to 12 weeks. If persistent, see a doctor. ED can signal heart or diabetes issues. Most men look for a quick fix, but long-term improvement comes from healthier habits. Even small changes done daily can make a big difference over time. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your body often responds naturally.